This delicious black pepper fried noodle recipe you must share out with your family. Recipe is so easy too. It's also a good choice to swap rice for noodles occasionally. Let's fried noodle together. Ingredients are bell peppers, onion, mushrooms, and noodle. Sliced bell peppers. Sliced mushrooms. Sliced onion. Cook noodle until softened. Once noodle is cooked, drain and sprinkle with cooking oil and mix well. Crack eggs into bowl and beat until frothy. Scramble egg and set aside. Stir-fry onion until translucent. Mushroom slices. Bell peppers. One tablespoon black pepper sauce. Pour half full soup broth. One teaspoon dark soy sauce to add color. Add noodle and fry evenly. Seasoning with 1 teaspoon light soy sauce to taste. Add fried egg and mix well. Noodle is done. Plate it. Ready to eat. Smell amazingly good. This fried noodle recipe is so easy and delicious. Look at the noodles. You must save this recipe to cook at home. I'll share easy recipes, all recipes suitable for all of you who love easy cooking, yeah. Because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I often use the same ingredients for variations, suitable for small families to cook with 1 ingredient. Come up with 2 or even 3 different dishes. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks in advance too. Please follow me and like my video, yeah. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.